Previously on the channel. Who steals DoorDash food? Everything that could happen been happening to me. I'm like, what? This can't be my life. So my cousin's like, it's a scam. If you missed that episode, be sure to check it out. Alright, Candy Crew, y'all know how I always say it's important to tell people what you do. I'm about to give you a prime example. So I told my friend I'm a reseller. He said I got some shoes you can have. I can have? What? Y'all, I'm selling these bad boys right now for $65 cash. And guess what? I'm taking y'all with me, but hold on. Let me check on the baby. You okay? Oh, him okay. Him okay. Alright, y'all, we selling these Nikes. Hi, the Nikes. Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Good. Can I try it on?
Yeah, that's fine.
I was coming yesterday, but I'm busy. My work, I can.
Mucho trabajar?
I work in gyms, so busy.
Oh, okay.
That's 60, right?
65.
Oh, come on. 60.
I'm selling for a friend. It's not mine.
Lies, lies.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, Candy Crew. I don't want y'all thinking that I'm cheap or that I don't give deals. I had those shoes listed for $100. So he offered 65. I already said okay to that. So I figured I can't give you another discount. We already went from 100 to 65. Run me my money. Let's head to a garage sale. Let's see what they got. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
You know, it's a beautiful sunny day.
Yes, it is.
For once.
Right? This weather is so fickle.
I barely moved back from Seattle. We didn't realize we were there, but I guess we're back here now.
That's a good one.
Yeah. So, by this, $2 for all this. So $7.
How much is it?
$5. It's only on our wall for a little while.
How much the water gun, brother-in-law?
Maybe $1.
A buck? All right. It brought back memories.
Yeah. I think that's like the first generation of those. Now they're so fancy, but
Yeah.
the first ones.
You're right.
Five? Two.
Thank you, Mr. Money there. Thank you. Yeah, somebody's in trouble for sure.
Don't squirt, don't squirt.
I never expected. That's like first generation.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that was so funny.
It was, you know, grandmas and
All right, thank you guys. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you. Thank you. No problem at all. Thank you.
Don't shoot.
Hands up.
Don't shoot.
Hands up.
Don't shoot.
Hands up.
Sneak up on the kid.
You right? Stay tuned to see if the water gun actually works. Y'all, Candy Crew, this is from 1990. $1. This is what I'm talking about. Hey, come on, come on, come on. And just like today, y'all, we're having Black Angus. I'm hoping it's amazing. Have y'all been here before? Let me know. Toast to getting that shmoney. Don't take no big bite. Y'all know how I be about my food.
Look, what ain't no way I made a way. Carved my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. What a good day to get paid today. What ain't no way I made the way. Carved my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. Ball on the fade away. Hey, hey. Ball on the fade away. Hey. Ball on the fade away. Hey. Ball on the fade away. Hey.
The next day.
Good morning, Candy Crew. It's a new day. I have to run a few errands, get some gas, go get something to eat, and ship off some packages. And of course, I'm taking y'all with me. Whew. I'm feeling a little sluggish today, though. I'll be honest. I need a pick me up. I think I'm gonna go to Starbucks too because I don't know. I normally don't feel like this, but I'm feeling like I gotta see what's going on. Do y'all ever feel this way? But look at my gas tank. Lord, it's on E. You hear me? E.
When you don't call when you supposed to, cause it keeps me on my toes. It kinda makes me want you more.
We got the gas. Now it's time to sanitize our hands. We don't want no germs. No germs, y'all. No germs. Got this from Trader Joe's. It's bomb. To me. Almost forgot to tell y'all, I made some shmoney as well, but I have to get the items out of the van. First, I sold this globe. It's like a vintage globe, the little penny bank. I paid $25 for it, and it sold for $15 on eBay. Then I also sold this camera. I'm gonna show y'all the clip if I still have it. Vintage cameras do well for me, so I had to grab this Vivitar camera. How much is your camera?
Oh, $1.
Okay. I'll get it. Thank you. I got the camera for $1 and it sold on OfferUp for $40 plus shipping. You can't beat that. That's like $1.25 into $55. What? All right, let's get something to eat. Candy Crew, so I ended up getting a Starbucks drink. I love the mango dragon fruit lemonade. It's so good, and I always finish it off with a large cup of ice water. And for my meal, I couldn't make it this Saturday, so I had to come today. I got the famous breakfast sandwich. I'm about to enjoy this, and then we're going to AutoZone to get some batteries for these keys. I'll show y'all the sandwich just in case it's somebody new watching. And it wasn't a long wait today. I might have to come on Mondays more often. Can y'all see? Comes with bacon, lettuce, cheese, eggs, and tomatoes. But I don't like tomatoes, so I told them no tomatoes. Key battery low. You know what? He is. He's very cool.
I
That
try my
personality.
best.
I needed that this morning. You just don't know.
Wait, I haven't turned on yet.
You know, my mom always told me being kind is free.
Hey, listen, no, for real.
Patience and time fixes anything.
Yeah. All right, Candy Crew. I appreciate you guys more than you'll ever know. Until the next video, keep hustling, staying positive. TTYL.